rest of my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Yeah. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know. Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do.
Got the carbs, got some bread, butter, classic Chinese salad. I got chicken and rice, and then Emma got beef and rice, and then you got yogurt because stay healthy. And then I don't know what this is.
I think it's like a little dessert.
Tiramisu?
No, like I forget the name.
Hours pass us by. Yeah, we could talk.
We made it to the airport. My skin feels so disgusting right now. Very hot. It's really hot. It literally feels like when I got to the Dominican.
Right now we're gonna go try to meet up with my cousin, get our bags, and just check in and try to get through customs without having trouble. Hopefully understand what they're trying to say. So I'm gonna have to come in clutch, but we'll see how it goes.
Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do makes me love you. Babe, I feel the rush. Everything you touch. Babe, I'm missing
That's small.
So we just finished breakfast and we just got back, and I just got ready because next we're gonna go to the Great Wall, which I'm really excited about. I didn't think we were gonna do something like this on our second day, but it looks like we're gonna go today. It's just raining a little bit right now, so we're waiting for it to clear up. But this is so different from Canada. It has such a peaceful vibe. This is the backyard. It's so cute. Apparently it's like a 2-hour drive, which I'm not that excited about, but it's a very scenic route according to Evan. I'll get a lot of nice mountain shots, hopefully. This is the fit. I'm wearing my Miffy Uniqlo top and my little Uniqlo pouch, and then I'm just wearing some like Adidas shorts because we're gonna be hiking around a lot. Apparently it's really steep, so I'm scared. We're gonna climb that. I'm cooked.
Listen, next time you're gonna see us. When we make it up there, we're gonna film back to this spot and remember where we were at. How do you feel?
I can't tell right now.
Very, very steep now. We're at the last stretch of the thing. Emma, look back.
This is what we just climbed, and we started. Where did we even start? Up there? Back there? Wow. This part was so hard. I'm so scared to go down because it's so steep. Wow. How do you feel?
I feel great. Good accomplishment. We went up there. We didn't stop. We kept going. And, you know, my ancestors were speaking to me when I was walking up here. So.
We did this whole section like in one go with no break because we knew if we stopped, we were not finishing it.
Great Wall done.
Next mission, food.
We got our sauce. Fruit. I think this is also for the sauce. This one's for lamb, this one's for beef, and this one's for lettuce. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. So it's the second or third day. I'm going to 7-Eleven again for breakfast because that's all we know how to get right now.
How do you feel?
That's actually so good.
This is like Tim Hortons. Oh my. Ooh, should we get that?
That looks so good. Should we get it?
Alright, this is like was it barbecue chicken, I think? And some eggs, corn.
Big bite.
Sauce.
I like this one better. Pretty good.
But it's more like ham, right? Like you like it because it's ham? You don't like chicken?
On ham. So right now we're walking to the entrance of the Forbidden City, which is like a must-see for Beijing.
Must see in Beijing.
It's like the Emperor's Palace, yeah?
Yeah. Back in the day.
I'm really excited. I've never seen anything like this. It's huge. Like we're outside and it looks massive. Okay, so we got this drink. What's it called?
Baby Yang.
Apparently this is like the popular drink in Beijing, and Evan's dad really likes it and drank it when he was a kid, and they both said, like Evan said and his cousin said, this is a must try, so I'm gonna try it right now.
Orangey,
like,
it's very orangey.
Like Fanta, but like more like orange.
It's good?
That's
It's like
really
Fanta?
good. It's like Fanta, but like just more orangey and tastes better. Oh, it's green.
never bring fish too.
Our last day in Beijing, and right now we just made it to the Summer Palace. It's both of our first times here. So this is the Emperor's Palace that he would come to in the summer, but apparently he also built it for his wife. I think we're just gonna walk around it now. It looks like it's a big kind of circle around this lake. I think we're gonna go on this bridge next, and we'll take you around. It's so sunny. It's so sunny. We're on the bridge, and it gives you such a good view of the palace.
Okay, so basically, whatever place that you go to in China, most of the places like Forbidden City, Great Wall of China, Summer Palace, like you can get ice cream that look like the actual place. This is the first time that we actually got one. So this is like Summer Palace. I like the significant buildings in the Summer Palace.
We wanted to get a snack because we decided to go to the mall after this because our dinner plans kind of changed. So we got these packaged burgers. Mind you, this is the picture. Not bad. It's better than it looks. So right now, we're just walking to the subway station, and then we're gonna attempt the subway on our own to the mall, so wish us luck. It's huge. I just did damage. And now we're going to another mall. But I think we're just probably mostly just gonna eat. Oh my god, this store already looks cool. This is huge. Cheers. I've never had a taco like this. It's good.
Fried fish.
Good?